In 5 years, he would have $14 million with a monthly passive income of $1.1 million every month. What is happening, people, and welcome to another episode with Everything Smart Trade Coin. I usually wouldn't make a video like this incorporating celebrities and mainstream pop culture news into my videos because this channel is strictly aimed at bringing light to the general public about ways they can easily compound and accelerate their wealth through a consistent, profitable, automated trading platform such as Smart Trade Coin, which in my opinion is the easiest and quickest way you can start building a passive income stream right now. But in light of everything that is currently happening to 6ix9ine, with his project sales numbers projected to drop drastically, which will in turn have a negative impact on his main source of income, I thought this would be a good time to capitalize on the situation and reach out to more people on one of the best money-making opportunities around today. The number one thing I've always loved about hip-hop culture is its ability to motivate and inspire people to become self-made entrepreneurs, from legends such as Russell Simmons to Master P, Birdman, Dr. Dre, Diddy, Nas, Dame Dash, Jay-Z, Kanye West, and many more. It's hard to listen to rap music and not feel inspired to improve yourself financially. Although in the early years of hip-hop, rappers would typically invest in humble businesses outside of the music scene, in the last 2 decades, what we've started to witness is a more sophisticated investment appetite among rappers. In 2003, Russell Simmons founded Rushcard, a prepaid debit card company which he later sold in 2017 for $147 million. In 2006, Dr. Dre co-founded Beats Electronics, which he and his business partner later sold in 2014 to Apple for $3 billion. In 2007, 50 Cent saw his personal net worth propelled to $500 million when Coca-Cola acquired Vitamin Water in a deal worth $4.1 billion. In 2015, Jay-Z purchased Tidal for $56 million, and just 3 years later, the company is reported to be worth $600 million. That is a 10-fold increase on the initial purchase price. These are just some of the major investment moves we've seen in the game in recent years, and now with the introduction of cryptocurrency led by Bitcoin in 2009, rappers are not shy to diversify their investment tactics and utilize cryptos as a way to build and expand their wealth. For example, Nas reportedly told CoinDesk that, quote, Bitcoin will evolve into an industry as big, if not bigger than the internet, close quote. Then there's Akon, who is currently building Akon City in Senegal, Africa, which would implement its cryptocurrency Acoin as the sole form of payment. Then we have the late great Nipsey Hussle, who in my opinion is one of the smartest and wisest investors to come out of the rap scene. In a video posted on his YouTube channel in 2017, Nipsey talks about the importance of investing in cryptocurrency, particularly crypto trading.
There's a huge amount of value in this cryptocurrency space with trading and exchanging different forms of currency, different times of acquisition, different times of selling. It's very similar to the stock market.
So if I was a rapper in a position that 6ix9ine has currently gotten himself into, doing everything in my power to stay relevant in order to maintain an expensive lifestyle that I will no longer be able to afford, how will I invest my money? Firstly, rather than disrespecting Nipsey Hussle, his friends and family by using a mural dedicated to the rapper for one of my failed clout chasing experiments, I would instead take a page from his crypto trading investment strategy. In the Nipsey video I mentioned earlier, he touched on investing in cryptocurrency and the value in the crypto space related to trading and how people have made a lot of money over the years trading cryptocurrency using a cryptocurrency trading platform such as Smart Trade Coin. He also talked about how these platforms have managed to combine the social networking element with the financial element, allowing the average person to see who the top traders are, so that way they too can profit from the same trades these successful traders are taking. On the other hand, platforms such as Smart Trade Coin has taken it one step further by combining the social networking element, the financial element, and the artificial intelligence element, allowing the average person to see what the top trading bots are, so that way they too can earn a passive income from these trading bots. So if I was in a position similar to 6ix9ine, I would take one of my Richard Mille watches worth $500,000, start up a Smart Trade Coin account, select the top trading bot with a monthly return of 8% and let my money work for me. Just to demonstrate how profitable this would be, 8% monthly ROI of $500,000 is $40,000 a month. This means in just over a year, he would be able to buy back his watch, still have $520,000 and $40,000 coming in every month. All this without him having to do any work whatsoever. And if he was to let the same $500,000 amount compound yearly rather than spending it, in 5 years, he would have $14 million with a monthly passive income of $1.1 million every month. This, my friend, is the power of compounding, and this is essentially how I would invest my money if I was in 6ix9ine's shoes. Well, that'll be all for this video. Let me know how you would invest if you were 6ix9ine in the comment section. If you liked this video and want to see more, please support by hitting the like and subscribe button, and I'll see you on the next one.